It's so unfair. My parents let my brother go to sea, but me?
Seri Anggerik, you're a precious flower. You need to stay on Temasek.
Look ahead.
Who are you?
I am Maya. Is everything all right?
My brother has gone on an adventure to the islands of the great Malay archipelago. But I'm stuck on this boring island.
That couldn't be further from the truth.
Look around. There's nothing here but the jungle and hornbills.
You just need to look ahead.
Look ahead?
And Sang Nila Utama, I will not perish in this storm. You throw everything off this ship.
Nothing is working. The only heavy thing left is your crown.
This is the very symbol of my princehood. I'm never letting it go.
You have to throw your crown into the sea. Please.
It worked. It really worked. Look how pristine and beautiful this island is. This white sandy beach, the beautiful trees. Hey, did you see that?
I believe that animal is what they call a singer.
A singer, yeah. Then I shall name this island Singapura, for the great city that this island will become.
Great city?
Ah, what a beautiful day in Singapura.
Who are you?
I'm the Shah Bandar of Singapura, the most sought-after port in the entire Malay archipelago. And here come my men. These men keep the peace for ships from all over who trade here. No pirates in our port. Watch out! Here come the Bugis. Oh, they are a fierce lot. Thank you for the invitation, Sir Stamford Raffles. It is a great honor to have you aboard the Tengku Hussein. Or should I call you Sultan? Alas, while I was getting married in Pahang, my brother claimed our father's throne all for himself. Well then, Tengku, I have a proposition for you. A proposition? I've surveyed the beautiful waters of Singapura, and we, the East India Company, would like to establish a trading post on Singapura and build a factory here. As the rightful ruler of this island, doesn't that sound like a great vision? One that will revive the great port of Singapura as it once was.
Over the next 100 years, people came here from all over to trade, earn a living, and even make a home. But it was not always smooth sailing. They had to strive for what they believed in. From the port city in the 14th and 16th century, to the revived vision of Raffles and Tengku Hussein, to one of the busiest globally connected ports. What was once Temasek has become a beautiful place for all to call home. So, Seri, Do you still think this island is boring?
Oh, Maya, I've seen such wonderful things and met such amazing people. I'm bowled over by how this tiny island has flourished over the past 700 years.
Tiny but mighty.